Good morning, grade 3. Today we will take lesson 3, comparing and ordering decimals. We said before that when I'm comparing, I will have two numbers. I will write greater than, smaller than, or equal. And when I'm ordering, I will have three or more numbers. Then I will say this is the first and this is the second, this is the third. Okay? Now, when I'm comparing decimals, the first step I will look at the decimal point and I will put a line, and here for the decimal point I will put a line. Okay, now when I'm comparing, I will start always from the whole part, from the last digit. So here I have 3 in the ones place and 2 in the ones place. So since 3 is greater than 2, I will not continue comparing. Then I will say that this number is greater, because here I have 3, here I have 2. Now for number 2, the first step I will put a line on the decimal point. I will start comparing. Here I have 2 in the ones place and 2 in the ones place. Since the 2 and 2 are equal, now I will go to the previous number. Here I have point. Now I will compare the 5 and the 7. 7 is greater than 5. Then I will not continue. I will say this number is greater. This decimal number is greater. Now for number 3, I have number in the ones and 10th place and 100th place. Here I have 1 in the ones and 9 in the 10th place, but I don't have any number in the 100th place. So here I have what? 0. Now I will start comparing. I will put here line 1, 1, 8, 9. So 9 is greater. Okay, now for ordering here, I have to tell you when you're ordering to order from least to greatest or greatest to least. Okay, so for number 1, I want you to make it from least to greatest, from the small to the big. Okay, but first step, I will put the line. Here I have 3, 3, 3, the same number. I will continue. I have 6, 5, 9. I want the least, so 6, 5, 9. 5 is the smallest, then 6, then 9. Okay, now for number 2, I want it from greatest to least. First step, I will put the line. Here I have 8, then 4, then 4. So I want the greatest. 8 is the greatest number here. Now I have here 4, 4. I will compare now here 4, 4, 3, 3, 1, 6. I want the greatest, so this is number 2, and this one will be number 3. Okay, this is our lesson. It's very easy for you. Now we will start solving. Now for number 1, compare, write greater than, smaller than, or equal for each circle. So the first step, I said I will put the lines on the decimal point. I have 0, 0, 5, 7. 7 is greater than this number is greater. Now for number 2, I have first I put the lines 1, 0. 1 is greater than this number is greater. For number 3, I'll put the lines 3, 3, 7, 6. 7 is greater than this number is greater. And for number 4, I'll put the lines. Here I have 0, 0, 3, 3, 0. And what here? Since I don't have here any number, then it is 0. So I will compare again. 0, 0, 3, 3, 0, 0. Then they are having the same numbers in each place. Then they are equal. Okay. Now order the numbers from least to greatest, from the small to the big one. Okay. So the first step, I will put the lines. I have 0, 0, 0, 0. Then 8, 8, 9, 8. So 9 is the greatest number, then it will be number 4, the last one. Okay, so now I have 0, 0, 0, 8, 8, 8, 5, 9, nothing, which is 0. So this is the smallest. 5, 9, 0. This is number 1. Then 5, then 9, then this one is the greatest, we said. Now for number 6, I'll put the lines here. 0, 0, 0, 0. I want from least to greatest. Now 2, 4, 0, 3. 0 is the smallest, then this is number 1. I have 2, 4, 3. This is number 2, 2. Then 3 is the third, and 4 is the last one. Now for number 7, I'll put the lines. I have 1, 1, 1, 7, 0, 7. So 1, 0 is the smallest. Now I have 7, 7, nothing, 5, which is 0. And I have 7, 7, 0, 5. 0 is smaller than 5. Then this is number 2. And this is number 3. Okay? Now, 8 number sense, which is greater? This number or this number? 0 and 9, we said. We will not read it like this. We will say 9 tenths or 9 hundredths. Which one is greater? So I will write the numbers down. Here, since I don't have any number, I will put 0. I will put my line. Then 0, 0. 9, 0. This is greater. Okay? So 9 tenths is greater than 9 hundredths. Now for practice, compare, write greater than, smaller than, or equal. We will solve 9, 10, 13, and 14, and you can solve by yourself 11, 12, 15, and 16 and check the answer from here. Okay, only for 16, I have here 7, 7, 6, 6, and here I don't have any number. Here I have 0, so this is 0, 0, 0, then the numbers are equal. Now for number 9, I will put the lines 0, 0. 8, 7. 8 is greater than 7, then this number is greater. For number 10, how we read number 10? I will not say 0 and 36, I will say 36 hundredths. Here I will say 39 hundredths. So I will start comparing. I have 0, 0, 3, 3, 6, 9. 9 is greater than 6, then this is greater. Now for 13, 8, 7, 8 is greater, then I will not complete, this number is greater. Now for 14, I have 4, 4, the same number, then I will check the previous number. 0, 1, 1 is greater than the 0, then this number is greater, and here you don't have any number, so it's 0. Okay, now order the numbers from least to greatest. Okay, now we will solve 17, 18, 20, and 21, and you will solve 19 and 22 and check your answer from here. Okay, now for 17, I will put first the lines. I want from least to greatest 3, 2, 1. No need to complete. This is the first, this is the second smallest, then 2, then 3. Now for 18, I will put the lines 4, 5, 3. 3 is the smallest, then this is number 1. 4 is the second one, and 5 is the third one. Now for 20, I have 2, 2, 2. Since I have the same number, I will check the previous number. 2, 2, 2. I will check again now the tenths number in the tenths place. 4, 8, 1. 1 is the smallest, then 4, then 8. Now for 21, we have 4 numbers here. 0, 0, 0, 0. The same number, then I will check the previous one. 7, 9, 7, 7. So I have 7, 9, 7, 7. 9 is the greatest, so it will be the last one. This is number 4. Now I have here 7, 7, 7. Nothing, which is 0. So 0, 5, 8. 0 is the smallest, then this is number 1. 2. Here I have 75, and here I have 78. This is the third one, and this one is the greatest. Okay, now number sense, which is greater, 15 and 99 hundredths or 16? Write the numbers down. Here you don't have any part, then it is what? Zeros you have here. So put the line now. 1, 1, 5, 6. 6 is greater, then this number is greater. Okay, now we will solve B. Reasoning and problem solving. Which fish is longer? Now here I have the length of fish. Quote, I have fish A, B, C, and D. So before I compare, I will put the line on the points. So for 24, fish A or B. So here I have A and B. I have 1, 1, 1, 2. Then fish B is longer. Now for 25, B or C. here I have B and C, so I have here 1, 1, 2, 1, then B is longer. And I have now for 26 fish C or D, C and D, I have 1, 1, 1, 1, 5, 2. 5 is greater than 2, then fish C is longer. Now we will solve example B. We will do the ordering on the number line. So we said always when we have a number line, always the number to the left is smaller than the number to the right. So here you have 40 hundredths and 45 hundredths. So 40 is smaller than 45, so it's on the left side. For example, here I have 55 and 60 hundredths. 55, it's smaller than 60, so it is on the left side. But here I have 50 is greater than 45, so 50, it's on the right side here. Okay, so now I want to put the numbers on the number line, then I will do the ordering. So the first number is 0.44. How we read it? This is 44 hundredths. So where I will put it here, I have here 40 hundredths and 45 hundredths. I know that 44 hundredths, it's greater than 40 hundredths and smaller than 45, so it will be between 40 and 45. So 44, it's between 40 and 45. How I will know where is the 44, where I will put it? So here I have 40, 41, 42, 43, and here 44, so I will put this number here. Now for the half, where's the half? 0.5, how we read it? 5/10. So where is the 5/10 here? I have here 50, and 5/10 is the same because here I don't have any number, so it is 0. Now for the third number, 63 hundredths. So 63, it's between 60 and 65. So here I have 60 hundredths and 65 hundredths. So 63, it will be between 60 and 65. Now how can I know where is 63? Here I have 60, 61, 62, 63 hundredths. So 63 hundredths, it's here. And for the last number, 69, I know that 69, it's between 65 and 70. So it will be between 65 and 70 hundredths. So 69 hundredths, where I will put it here, I have 65 hundredths, 66, 67, 68, 69 hundredths, so I will put it here. Now I want to order from least to greatest. If I set from least to greatest, so the number to the left is the smallest, then this one, then this number, then this number. Now if I told you make it from greatest to least, then the number to the right is the greatest. I'll say this number, then this number, then this, then this. Okay, thank you for watching.